Il-Valletta Summit se jkun wieħed li minnu l-pajjiżi Ewropej u Afrikani jitalmu isiru ġirien aħjar permezz ta' sħubija fi pjantazzjoni għall-migrazzjoni. F'dan kollu Malta se terġa' ssib posta fil-qalba tal-istorja Mediterranja kif dejjem kienet fl-imoddi. Dan huwa l-mod li bih Donald Tusk, il-President tal-Kunsill Ewropew, iddeskriva il-Valletta Summit. Summit li fi kliemu permezz ta' solidarjetà ġenwina miż-żewġ naħat se jara sforz kollettiv biex ikunu mejjuna ir-refuġjati.
This summit is about action, concrete and operational action. Fresh political energy will be injected by over 60 African and European leaders in attendance. While acting together in this field, Europe must be inspired by respect for Africa's sovereignty as well as a great empathy and common concern for the continent's pressing concerns.
Fl-interventi għaw Tusk semma diversi temi li mistennija jkunu diskussi fuq l-aġenda tas-summit, fosthom kif jista' jinħoloq ambjent iktar stabbli għal migrazzjoni legali, mezzi għal prevenzjoni ta' konflitt aħjar u sistema aktar effiċjenti tal-integrazzjoni tar-refuġjati meta jintbagħtu lura f'pajjiżhom.
According to the latest statistics, 1.2 million people have entered the Union irregularly, mainly by sea. But through breakthrough initiatives like this week's summit, we hope to be in a much better place 1 year from now. Leaders will hopefully be able to work out a range of priority actions this week for how we get there and get there quickly. We want to create a more stable environment for legal migration.